Hi, my name is Sheila Donohue, founder of Vero. We seek out small producers making really good wines and olive oils, and we import them into the U.S. and sell them to businesses and consumers around the U.S. Our website is verovinogusto.com. And today, what I'm going to be showing you is how to make a really good broth. So I've been living in Italy, in Bologna, for many years, and my mother-in-law makes a really, really good broth, and it's tradition here in Bologna. She uses her grandmother's recipe, and it's very simple to make, actually, but the key thing about this is getting the best ingredients. And this video is not for vegetarians, because the key is to get an old hen, which is really difficult to get in the U.S. You can't get it at your supermarket. I went to a local farmer here in Bologna and found an old hen. So it's half of an old hen that I'm going to be putting into the broth, along with some bones, and then just whole pieces of celery, onion, and carrots, and then a bouillon and some salt and pepper, and of course water. So it's really simple to make. And once you, it will take several hours to make. Make sure you're going to be around home for at least 3 hours to let it simmer. And once it's done, though, it's fabulous. So of course you would have pasta, preferably fresh pasta in it. But you'll find that that the best part of it is actually the broth and not so much the pasta, no matter how good the pasta that you have. So go to our website, verovinogusto.com, and you'll get the recipe. Thanks.